हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल 10th का ज्ञान। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स के सारे ऑल मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। जितने भी एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन अब तक पूछे गए हैं सारे पूछेंगे, पढ़ेंगे। और यहाँ पर मैं आप लोग को बता दूँ, इतने सारे क्वेश्चन करने के बाद आप लोग अगर इसको सिर्फ एक बार पढ़ भी लेते हैं तो आप लोग को 20 में से 18 एमसीक्यू आप लोग का सही हो जाएगा। चलिए अब हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन को। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, सपोर्ट बीम में बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Branch of mechanics which relates to bodies in motion without any reference to force is called. Question number 2 का आंसर B, kinematics. Question number 3, a couple is formed by. Question number 3 का आंसर A, two equal and unlike parallel forces. Question number 4, SI unit of force is D, Newton. Question number 5, vector quantity has. Question number 5 का आंसर C, both A and B, magnitude and direction. Question number 6, the set of forces whose resultant is zero और नॉन एज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर बी, इक्विलिब्रियम फोर्सेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द नंबर ऑफ रिएक्शन कंपोनेंट्स पॉसिबल एक्ट इन सपोर्ट फॉर अ जनरल लोडिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का आंसर बी, 2, ए बीम विच इज हैंग्ड एट वन एंड एंड रोलर एट अदर एंड इज नॉन एज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का आंसर डी, सिंपली सपोर्टेड बीम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, द रिलेशन बिटवीन एंगल ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स एंड एंगल ऑफ फ्रिक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का आंसर ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, the SI unit of coefficient of friction is. Question number 10 का आंसर D, unitless. Question number 11, the coefficient of friction between the hinge point of contact of two bodies is 0.577. The angle of friction is. Question number 11 का आंसर A, 30%. Question number 12, static friction is dash then dynamic friction. Question number 12 का आंसर B, more. Question number 13, the centroid of a triangle whose h is perpendicular distance of fx from base. Question number 13 का आंसर B, h by 3 from the base. Question number 14, centroid of semicircle of radius r from its base surface. Question number 14 का आंसर D, 4 pi by 4r by 3 pi. Question number 15, the center of gravity of right circular cone lies on its axis at height of dash above the base where h is the height. Question number 15 का आंसर C, h by 4. Question number 16, which of the following is the scalar quantity? Question number 16 का आंसर D, none of these. Question number 17, a machine is said to be reversible when it is efficiency is. Question number 17 का आंसर A, greater than 50%. Question number 18, a machine is said to be ideal if its efficiency is. Question number 18 का आंसर D, 100%. Question number 19, velocity ratio of third system pulley having 3 pulley each. Question number 19 का आंसर B, 9. Mechanical advantage of machine is expressed as. Question number 20 का आंसर A, load lifted and effort applied. Question number 21, branch of mechanics which are related to bodies in motion. Question number in motion without any reference of the motion. Question number 21 का आंसर A, kinematics. Which is the following is a vector quantity? Question number 22 का आंसर B, mass. SI unit of mass is. Question number 23 का आंसर B, kilogram. Question number 24, couple moment is a. Question number 24 का आंसर B, free factor. Question number 25, a body which does not deform under a normal load is called rigid body. Question number 26, the component of a force P at right angle to its direction will be. Question number 26 का आंसर D, 0. Question number 27, the number of reaction components possible at a hinge support for a general loading is. Question number 27 का आंसर B, 2. Question number 28, a beam which is sink at other end and roller at other end. Question number 28 का आंसर B, simply supported beam. Question number 29, limiting friction dash then the sliding friction. Question number 29 का आंसर A, greater. Question number 30, the force of friction depend upon the dash of the surface. Question number 30 का आंसर A, nature. Question number 31, centroid of a semicircle of radius r from its base at a distance of. Question number 31 का आंसर D, 3r by 4 pi. Question number 32, the center of gravity of a hemisphere is at a distance of from its base measured along with vertical radius r. Question number 32 का आंसर D. 3r/8. Question number 33. The center of gravity of a triangle lies at a points of intersection of. Question number 33 का आंसर A. Medians. Question number 34. Two parallel forces 75 Newton and 50 Newton act on a body and have a resultant of 25 Newton. Then two forces are. Question number 34 का आंसर A. Concurrent force. Question number 35. The coefficient of friction mu and the angle of friction theta all called. Question number 35 का आंसर C. Pi equal to tan theta. Question number 36. A machine is said to be reversible when its efficiency is greater than 50%. Question number 36 का आंसर B. Question number 37. Velocity ratio of third system pulley having 3 pulleys is. Question number 37 का आंसर D. 7. A machine is said to be ideal if its efficiency is 100%. Question number 38 का आंसर A. A screw gauge is used for lifting a heavy load. Question number 39 का आंसर B. Question number 40. Support of a beam may be. Question number 40 का आंसर D. All of the above. Question number 41. A body does not deform under a normal load is called rigid body. Question number 42. A couple moment is a. Question number 42 का आंसर A. Free vector. Question number 43. Force which lines of action passes through a common point are called dash forces. Question number 43 का आंसर B. Concurrent forces. Question number 44. Which is the following is a scalar quantity? Question number 44 का आंसर D. None of these. Question number 44. If two angle forces of magnitude P act at right angle each other, their result will be. Question number 45 का आंसर B. √2P. Question number 46. The number of reaction components possible at hinge support for a vertical loading is. Question number 46 का आंसर B. 2. Question number 47. The necessary condition of equilibrium of a particle for two-dimensional forces is R. Question number 47 का आंसर D. All of the above. Question number 48. FBD means free body diagram. Question number 48 का आंसर A. Question number 49. Two unequal forces are acting at an angle. Is their resultant will be. Question number 49 का आंसर B. Both A and B. Question number 50. Friction may be. Question number 50 का आंसर D. All of the above. Static, sliding and rolling. Question number 51. Unit of coefficient of friction is. Question number 51 का D. Unitless. Question number 52. Limiting force F. Normal reaction between two forces R and coefficient of friction mu has the relation. Question number 52 का आंसर A. F equal to mu R. Question number 15. 3. Sliding friction is a dash rolling friction. Question number 53 का आंसर B. More than one. Question number 54. The centroid of a triangle dash where h is the perpendicular distance from apex from base. Question number 54 का आंसर D. None of the above. Question number 55. Centroid of a semicircle of radius R from its base at a distance of. Question number 55 का आंसर A. 4r/3 pi. Question number 57. Mechanical advantage of a machine expressed as. Question number 57 का आंसर B. Load/effort. Question number 58. A machine is said to be reversible when its efficiency is greater than 50%. Question number 59. The efficiency of a lifting machine is the ratio its. Question number 59 का आंसर A. Output or input. Question number 16. Lami's theorem is also known as. Question number 16 का आंसर A. Sine rule. Question number 61. Branch of mechanics which are related to a bodies of motion without any reference of force is called. Question number 61 का आंसर A. Kinematics. Question number 62. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Question number 62 का आंसर B. Weight. Question number 63. A couple is formed by. Question number 3 का आंसर B. Two equal and like parallel forces. Question number 64. SI unit of forces is. Question number 64 का आंसर D. Newton. The component of a force P at a right angle to a direction will be. Question number 65 का आंसर A. 0.5P. Question number 66. A beam which is hanged at other end and roller at other end is also known as Question number 66 का आंसर B, simply supported beam. Question number 67, support of beam may be all of the above. Question number 67 का आंसर D, force system may be classified as. Question number 68 का आंसर D, all of the above. Question number 69, the resultant of two forces P and Q acting at angle theta. Question number 69 का आंसर A, root under P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Question number 70, static friction is less than dynamic friction. Question number 70 का आंसर B, greater. Question number 71, angle of response and angle of friction is equal to. Question number 71 का आंसर B. Question number 72, friction forces dash on area of contact surface. Question number 72 का आंसर B, does not depends. Question number 73, coefficient of friction in the ratio of. Question number 73 का आंसर B, limiting friction to the normal friction between contact forces. Question number 74, the center of gravity of a hemisphere is at a distance of from its base measured along the vertical radius. Question number 74 का आंसर D, 3r/8. Question number 75, the center of gravity of a solid right circular cone lines on the axis at a height. Question number 75 का आंसर C, 1/4 of the total height above the base. Question number 76, a machine is said to be ideal if its efficiency is 100%. Velocity of a third system pulley having 3 pulleys is. Question number 77 का आंसर C, 7. Question number 78, the efficiency of differential wheel and axle will be less when diameter of the wheel is. Question number 78 का आंसर A, more. Question number 79, the velocity of simple screw jack with L as a length of handle and P is the pitch of screw edge. Question number 79 का आंसर B, 2πL/P. Question number 18, Version theorem is applicable to. Applicable to dash force system. Question number 80 का आंसर A, coplanar. Question number 81, branch of mechanics which led to bodies in motion without any reference to forces is called. Question number 81 का आंसर B, kinematics. A body does not deform under a normal lead is called rigid body. A couple momentum is a free vector. Question number 84, which of the following is a scalar quantity. Question number 84 का आंसर C, mass. Question number 85, force system may be classified as. Question number 85 का आंसर D, all of the above. Question number 86, a beam which is fixed at one end and a free at another end is known as dash beam. Question number 86 का आंसर C, cantilever. Question number 87, the necessary condition of equilibrium of a body is. 87 का आंसर C, m0. Question number 88, the number of reaction component possible at a roller support for a general loading is. Question number 88 का आंसर A, 1. Friction forces dash on a area of contact surface. Question number 89 का आंसर A, dependent. Question number 90, angle of response alpha and the angle of frictional is related as. 90 का आंसर A. Question number 91, friction may be. Question number 91 का आंसर D, all of the above. Question number 91. Question number 92, the centroid of a right of a triangle is. Question number 92 का आंसर A, h/3 from base. Question number 93. Question number 93, the center of gravity of a hemisphere is at a distance of from its base measured along the vertical radius. Question number 93 का आंसर A, 3/8 gamma. Question number 94, which of the following is an intermediate beam. Question number 94 का आंसर C, both A and B. Question number 95, the momentum of force F is about point O of a rigid body. Question number 95 का आंसर A, y gamma dot F. Question number 96, SI unit of mass is A. Question number 96 का आंसर A, किलोग्राम. Question number 96 का आंसर. Question number 97, coulomb friction is. Question number 97 का आंसर C, friction between dry सरफेस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 98, फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड अपॉन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 98 का आंसर बी, नेचर ऑफ सरफेस ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 99, center of gravity of a hemisphere is at a distance of r from its base, measure along, क्वेश्चन नंबर 99 का आंसर बी, 3r/8, क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, centroid of a circle lies in the, क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 का आंसर ए, सेंटर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, the dot product of two ethological vector is 0 when a machine its mechanical advantage is equal to its velocity ratio, then the machine is C, ideal machine, question number 103, the center of gravity of plane lemma is not its geometrical center if it is a, question number 103 का आंसर C, right angle triangle, question number 104, the load which is distributed uniformly over the length of the beam is known as, question number 104 का आंसर B, UDL, question number 105, the effect of a moment on a body is, question number 105 का आंसर C, both A and B। आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट भी हुए हैं, तो आप लोग अगर इतने 105 क्वेश्चन को अगर पढ़ लेते हैं तो इतना आप लोग को MCQ में 20 में से 18 मार्क्स पक्का ला ही देगा। और ये PDF आप लोग को मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा 8 बजे के बाद से अप्रोक्स 8:30 में। आप लोग मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक दे दूंगा, आप लोग वहाँ से डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल।